Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll start up our 90 GMC Jimmy. See, fuel gauge works. We got to work on the oil pressure sending unit. It does it. So I don't know, there you can see your blinkers. Horn works. There's, you can hear your fan. The only thing right now, if it's on vent or air, it blows through the heater. So there. I'm in a steel building, so button radio works. Power locks work. Power windows work. Dome light works. Looks like I gotta work on the rear window also. So, a few little things to do, but nice Jimmy. Headlights all work. Runs like a watch. Tails light work. So, a few little things we got to tinker on. Otherwise, great for cruising. Good looking driver quality Jimmy. 605-695-7391.